All right, welcome back to the show. Today we'll be making a brown sugar walnut simple syrup old fashioned. A friend of the show actually made this brown sugar walnut simple syrup. It's 1 part water, 1 part brown sugar. Put some walnuts in there, bring it to a simmer, and then let it steep there for another 30 minutes. The nice thing about this is the thickness of the walnut. The oils come out in there. It's great for a wintertime drink. It's a little different than a regular old fashioned because this wintertime drink is really going to play in well with orange. So we're going to do a lot of orange in this. Pretty simple, so let's get straight to it. First thing we're going to do here is put in 4 ounces of bourbon. With most old fashions, I like to lean into the rye. So today we're going to be doing a Nulu rye. We're going to hit 4 ounces of that. Now this mixing glass has ice in it already, so we're going to chill that down. All right. So there goes the 4 ounces of the rye that we want to use. Next, already pre-measured here, we're going to go with 1.5 ounces of the brown sugar walnut simple syrup down the hatch. Look at that. She's looking great. Looking great already. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to give it the pow pow. So we're going to hit some orange bitters. Hit that hard. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. So we're good. I like to throw in an actual orange slice. It's not going to be in the beverage itself once we pour it into the drinking glass, but it will help bring more orange flavor into that. Remember with the walnut, just remembering it's more of a holiday type spices in there. Oranges just go really well with that for a simple old fashioned in this sense. Telling you, try to mix up your old fashions a bit. This is a great wintertime drink. Very simple to make as you're seeing today. So we're going to keep stirring this, get it nice and chilled. All right, looking good. Put that down. And we're going to go ahead, get it in the beverage. And then finish it with a nice orange peel. She's a beaut, Clark. Cheers.